Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add or change profile picture in Microsoft Teams. So for this, what you have to do is just go to the top right to your profile, and from here, just click on it, and then you'll get this personal option. From here, just click on your profile picture. It will give you an option to change or add profile picture. Just click on it. And after that, this dialog box will open. You can either click on remove to remove your profile picture or click on upload to upload and change your profile picture. I already removed mine. Now I need to upload another one. Or I can just click on save and it will show the initials only. But to have a profile picture or change a profile picture, you need to click on upload. Then you need to browse your PC and find the picture that you like and click on open. And after you have liked the picture, just click on save. And then just give it some time, it will change your profile picture over here. And there you go, my profile picture has been changed. And basically that is how to change a profile picture or remove profile picture from Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.